This outfit is so freaking cute. Look at the martini bag. Oh my god, $2,500. I just hurt my own feelings. We're gonna have to DIY this. As you can see here on this stat sheet, I was actually able to make that Valentino top as well as that $5,000 Judith Lieber bag. But that's going to be in a separate video. So if you're here for the Judith Lieber martini bag, then click the link in the description. Here, we're just going to focus on the shirt. So what you're going to need is a white button down that is at least 2 sizes oversized. About 5 yards of white ostrich feathers that's 4 to 6 inches long. New buttons is optional. And you'll need some white or clear permanent fabric glue, some scissors, and needle and thread. Here we're looking for a white button down. We want to make sure that it's oversized, at least 2 sizes oversized. And what was really important to me was making sure that the cuffs were long so that it kind of hugged the wrist and gave more of a poofy look to the sleeve. If you don't have a long cuff on your white button down, it'll still work anyway, especially with it being an oversized top. Now you can go 2 different ways on the search for a white button down. You can go get you a fresh brand new white button down, or you can go the thrift route. I like to thrift for things like this because when you go to a retail store, there's probably like 3 or 4 different styles of a white button down, but at the thrift store there were literally hundreds to choose from. And right away, I found exactly what I was looking for. Okay, here I have removed the old buttons and I am tightening the cuff to where I want it to fit on my wrist. And I'm marking where I want to place the new buttons. I do apologize. I do not have the video footage of me placing the buttons on, but there's 100,000 videos on YouTube that shows this process. I will link one in the bio for you. Okay, next we're going to place the shirt flat and prepare for the feathering. By doing so, we're going to place a thick paper in between the sleeves so that the feathers don't stick to the other side. So there's 2 different ways that I'm going to show you how to glue the feathers onto the sleeves. This is the first way. So I cut up the feather strip into about 1/3 of an inch. And then I'm going to cut off that strip that's holding it all together. Lay a piece of glue down and stick it on there upside down, just like that. Okay, the second way is the easier way, but it doesn't look as neat. So you're going to take those same strips and instead of cutting it off the silk lining that it's on, you're going to take it and you're going to dip it in your glue and glue it down, just like this. You're going to wait about 6 hours for the front side to dry and you're going to flip it over and do the back side. Here I kind of sped up the process. I glued down like 6 dots of glue and then I just cut a whole strip of the feathers and I just glued them down just like that. This was a little bit messier though, so I wouldn't recommend if you don't like getting messy.